Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, The Onlookers Occult. So this is the first time that we're meeting in person and I'm really excited about this. I'm sorry, please excuse me for the voices that you might hear in the background. Today I'm going to talk about chakras, the chakras that we have in the human body, and let's start. So chakra is a Sanskrit word, chakra, which means wheel or disc. In yoga, in meditation, and in Ayurveda, this term is referred to the wheels of energy throughout the body. These are the energy centers that we have in our bodies. There are 7 of them. It helps to regulate various processes in the body. So this ranges from organ function to immune system and even our emotions. So the very first chakra that we have in our body is the root chakra. It is located at the base of the spine. This one governs basic urges that we have, like food, sleep, sex, self-preservation, and so on. When this one's blocked, there are chances that you're either going through or you might face various anxiety disorders, fears, nightmares. Also, in the physical form, you might experience issues with organs that perform the task of elimination from the body. So you might have problems with your colon, your bladder, maybe also pain in the lower back and the leg, your feet. So I'm going to tell you how to unblock if your root chakra is blocked. All you should be doing is that you should be indulging in a lot of physical activities. So this definitely includes working out, stretching, yoga, walking, and even dancing. Also indulging in healthy sex practices, which means both hygienic and soul fulfilling. So the second chakra that we have is the sacral chakra. It is located at the pelvis. It governs fluid related activities in the body because it is associated with the water element. It controls fluidity, adaptability, creativity, emotions, sexual energy, and the unconscious. When this chakra is blocked, you might be facing issues like emotional instability, physical sexual dysfunction, fear of change, feelings of depression, and also addiction like behaviors, which could be either from substance or with people. If you want to unblock your sacral chakra, you need to change your diet. You should add more of oranges, melons, coconuts, and other sweet fruits in your diet. Also, you gotta drink a lot of water. And it's suggested that you indulge in aromatherapy using the essential oils of your choice. The third chakra is the solar plexus chakra or the navel chakra. It is located at the navel center. This one governs personal power, self-esteem, self-control. It is associated with the fire element, so therefore it helps in the process of food digestion. Also, it doesn't really help you to digest food, but the solar plexus chakra also helps you to digest various life experiences that you've had. When this one's blocked, you can go through issues like low self-esteem, difficulty in decision making, procrastination, anger issues, or control issues, or you could actually be a person who is very easy to take advantage of. In the physical front, you might face stomach aches, intestinal issues, digestive issues, or gas. So if you want to unblock your solar plexus chakra or the navel chakra, you gotta change your diet again. You gotta eat a lot of fruits that are yellow in color. You can go for bananas, sunflower seeds, sweet potatoes, lentils, lemons, squashes, brown rice, oats, Also, another aspect which is going to help you unblock your solar plexus chakra is to feed your emotional side, and you guys can do it by doing things that make you really, really happy. Then we have the fourth chakra, that is the heart chakra. It is located at the heart center. This one governs emotional qualities like peace, love, and openness. It is associated with the fire element. The function of it is to tap into receiving and offering unconditional love. What is it that blocks it, or what happens if it's blocked? You are going to have emotions that are related to fear or are going to lead to fear: anger, jealousy, fear of betrayal, hatred towards your own self, holding grudges. In the physical aspect, you might have heart disorders that are being caused because your heart chakra is blocked. If you want to unblock your heart chakra, the things that you should do, again, one is to change your diet. Look at the food, the kind of food that you eat. You should have lots of greens in your food. You can have warm soups and foods that are rich in vitamin C. Also, meditation is something that is going to help you block this chakra. You can use the law of attraction. You can benefit from the affirmations. Also, you can listen to soulful music. That's what the heart wants. The fifth chakra is the throat chakra, and I think the only chakra which was never blocked for me. Okay, jokes apart. The throat chakra is located near the base of the throat. This one governs authentic self-expression. It is associated with the space element or Akash. It is basically speaking one's own truth. Also, being comfortable in your own skin. If this one's blocked, you're going to have a lot of troubles speaking the truth, accepting who you are in front of other people. You're going to find it very hard to pay attention to what other people are saying. You would also have a lot of issues with focusing on what you're supposed to focus. Also, this is associated with the fear of judgment in front of other people. On the physical level, it can actually lead to or can be blocked by a sore throat, thyroid issues, tension, headaches, neck and shoulder stiffness. And if you want to unblock your throat chakra, you must cleanse your body with water. Try to detox as much as you can by drinking water. Gargle. And the best ways to open your or unblock your throat chakra is to talk. Talk sense, but talk. You can talk to people that you like, you can talk to strangers, you can talk to people who make you feel comfortable. You can also write to unblock this one, and also sing. You can just stand in front of the mirror and speak to yourself. And the most important thing that's going to help you to clear your throat chakra is to just let it be, to accept the way you are and to not worry about how other people are going to see you, because other people are going to see you the way you see yourself. The sixth chakra is the third eye chakra. It is located between the eyebrows, and it is not associated with any element because it is beyond physical elements. So this one governs intuition, vision, prophecy, imagination, inner knowing, and self-assurance. So its function is to help us learn to know ourselves mentally, emotionally, as well as spiritually. What is blocking this chakra, or what happens if this chakra is blocked, is that you're going to have a lot of trouble with understanding your own intuition. You're going to have a lot of self-doubt. You're going to have trouble with trusting your inner voice. And also recalling important facts could be really tough. Learning new skills is going to be tough. There's going to be depression, there's going to be anxiety, and you will have a judgmental attitude towards others. So from the physical point of view, you might experience headaches, dizziness, and brain health related issues. You can unblock the third eye chakra by again meditating. You could go for positive affirmations. You could look at the world with a different eye, be open to new things, learn to accept the reality of your universe or the reality of other people very easily. Let it come naturally to you to accept different things, and meditate as much as you can. Try to look deep inside yourself, see what are the dark portions inside your mind or your soul, and figure out how can you overcome your deep hidden fears, and your third eye chakra is going to boom open. The final chakra is the crown chakra. So it is above the crown head, and it is the doorway to pure conscience. It is associated with your own higher self. So its function is to help us become more enlightened, cultivate self-maturity, and finding a sense of connection with the universe, of course via wisdom. If it's blocked, you might have feelings of isolation, emotional distress. So you're going to want to be emotionally disconnected from almost everyone and everything, and you're going to have a really low spiritual connection with your own self. What you can do to unblock the crown chakra or to activate your crown chakra is to chant Om. Also, you should chant and believe that you are divine. Repeat I am divine a lot of times, and use this as a switch word to to use the law of attraction in your favor to activate this chakra for yourself. Also, you must choose love over ego. You should pray, meditate, connect with your inner self, and be acceptive of yourself as a part of this universe. So thank you guys for listening to all the chakras that we have inside our body, and what happens if they are blocked, and what to do to activate them. I hope you liked this video. Please leave a comment, please like the video, please subscribe my channel and share the same. Please suggest me in the comments on what would you want to know more, and I'm going to see more of you soon. Bye bye.